Ready to dive into the amazing world of Adobe Photoshop? Let's get started with the very basics. Perfect if you're completely new to the software. We'll cover essential tools, understand layers, and you'll be creating things in no time. First things first, the toolbar. This is where the magic happens. See the rectangular selection. This is the tool for selecting specific areas of your image. Click and drag to highlight an area. Want to draw or paint? Check out the brush tool. You can adjust the brush size and opacity in the top toolbar, affecting everything from wide strokes to delicate details. Now, let's look at layers. Think of layers as transparent sheets of paper stacked on top of each other. Each layer contains different elements of your image. You can change the order of the layers by clicking, dragging, and dropping them in the Layers panel, which is usually located on the right side. Adding a new layer is easy. Click the plus icon on the Layer panel. This is great for creating new elements without affecting the work on your base layer. You can easily change the opacity of layers. Simply select the opacity control dial to decrease or to increase the visibility of a layer. Remember these tools and concepts, and you're well on your way to mastering Photoshop. Keep experimenting, have fun, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. You'll learn the most by doing, and that's it for a basic overview. Happy creating.